from Makkah to the world. Here, the ALBADDAD Arabian Industrial City in Makkah is launched as an integrated industrial model, not based on adjacent factories, but on a single, interconnected system operating with a clear vision and high efficiency. The city spans 1.3 million square metres and includes 11 advanced factories, forming an industrial system that supports national industry and contributes to long-term industrial growth. It is designed to integrate management with production, from operation centres to modern administrative offices equipped with advanced operating and management systems and flexible workspaces, all within a comprehensive industrial environment with a well-planned layout that seamlessly connects production, storage and services. ALBADDAD Engineering. The system includes ALBADDAD Engineering factories, which cover solutions for steel, PVC and aluminium. The steel factory produces steel structures and pre-engineered building systems to support major projects. The PVC factory specialises in fabric structures and tensioned constructions. The aluminium factory offers architectural solutions that combine lightness, strength and precision of detail. ALBADDAD Art Hub Factory. ALBADDAD Art Hub Factory represents an integrated system for ready-made and specialised solutions, operating through three main factories. Fit Out Factory provides integrated interior finishing solutions for residential, administrative and hospitality projects, with high-quality execution and meticulous attention to detail from concept to completion. Prefab Factory produces prefabricated building units designed for rapid and precise large-scale implementation, offering integrated construction solutions that meet the requirements of temporary and permanent projects. Pods Factory produces ready-made bathroom and kitchen units as fully finished units, manufactured in a controlled environment and installed directly within buildings with high precision and speed. ALBADDAD Hydrogen Energy Factory also specialises in hydrogen-based energy storage solutions and advanced battery systems to support solar energy projects. ALBADDAD Solar Energy Factory. ALBADDAD Solar Energy Factory utilises the latest advanced technologies to establish one of the largest solar panel production facilities in the region, providing integrated solar energy solutions that support national sustainability goals and meet the growing demand in the local and regional markets. ALBADDAD Textile Factory. This facility focuses on producing Hajj textiles, including ihram clothing according to high standards of quality and comfort, meeting the needs of pilgrims and efficiently keeping pace with the demands of the Hajj season. ALBADDAD Air Conditioning Factory. This factory represents an advanced industrial platform for high-capacity air conditioning and refrigeration solutions, with capacities ranging from 1 ton to 1,000 tons, utilising energy-efficient technologies designed to operate in harsh climatic conditions. Manasik Holding. Manasek Holding is a comprehensive national system for the implementation and operation of temporary and permanent infrastructure projects, operating across three main sectors within a single operational model. Construction sector. This sector undertakes specialised construction work from planning to execution, focusing on engineering solutions designed for high-density environments and complex operating conditions. Temporary camping sector. This sector encompasses the design, manufacturing and installation of temporary camps and the equipping of Hajj and Umrah sites with all their operational requirements, including structures, services and supporting infrastructure. Permanent building sector. This sector provides integrated solutions for permanent buildings, including operational, residential and service facilities, adhering to the highest standards of quality, safety and sustainability. ESNAD Holding. ESNAD Holding represents an integrated operational system that efficiently executes and manages projects. It comprises three main companies: ESNAD Holding, ESNAD Future, ESNAD Catering. All operate harmoniously within a unified operational model. ESNAD undertakes the execution and management of infrastructure projects, including engineering services, operation and logistical support for major projects. It also specialises in equipping Hajj camps with accommodation, facilities and operational services, in addition to equipping all hotel facilities, including furnishing, operation and support services. As for the ESNAD Catering, it is an advanced industrial facility for large-scale food production, with a production capacity of up to 3 million meals per day. The factory relies on organised production lines that include preparation, central cooking, portioning and packaging. a highly disciplined food system that adheres to the highest safety and quality standards, with full readiness to operate during peak periods. Adjacent to this industrial city, a fully integrated residential complex spans approximately 10,000 square metres and includes 9 separate buildings, each with 7 floors, including a hotel for employees offering 168 rooms and 14 suites with operational services, and 8 residential buildings for workers with over 1,460 rooms and a capacity exceeding 4,400 people, with ground floors dedicated to services, kitchens and dining halls. It is a city operating systematically, growing with vision and built with precision. Al-Badad Arab Industrial City, from Makkah to the world.